Well, I looked around a variety of universities and I really liked facilities Nottingham Trent had to offer, and also being in two quite prominent architecturally designed buildings, it was a really attractive prospect for me as a student. The thing I've enjoyed most about this course is the fact that the cohort is quite small. You actually get to be exposed to a lot of industry experts. So for myself, for example, I actually obtained a summer placement last year through a member of staff at university, which has then led into a sponsorship and a graduate role for when I graduate, and that wouldn't have happened on a course with much larger numbers of students. With my thesis project, I really wanted to do something which was quite close to my heart. Last summer, the Department for Transport announced that Totem, which is adjacent to Stapleford, was going to be the location for the HS2, the High Speed Rail 2 network. And being from the town of Stapleford, I really wanted to take this opportunity and look into how a building can be designed as a one-off and taking local influences and really enhancing the local residents.
The buildings are warehouses, current warehouses, and they were built in 1857. They've been left empty and in a derelict situation. If someone tells me, you got this building, do something with it, I will be the most excited person. So that's why I decided to actually create different galleries. It's more something for a temporary exposition. And it's really interesting to see how the new can combine with our past. The university offers so many different things, from leisure to company to a really good experience with tutors and the staff as well.
We're very lucky in Nottingham Trent because there's such diverse tutors. We've got kind of architects, technicians, planners, everything, so it's good to get those different opinions. This was our site for our vertical studio, kind of cocoon-like structure, which is what I developed into a silk farm for Kula Tesuru, bridal boutique. She was a real client, we met her lots of times, went around all her workshops. These big cavernous walls were one of the biggest challenges, and how you kind of appropriate your building to that, whether you nestle it in or take it above. Workshop-wise, fantastic facilities, huge workshops, everything from metalworking, concrete, 3D printing, which is another big trend at the moment, and laser cutters. So it's good, and there's good technicians there as well.
I think the experiences in the course have really allowed me to look at the conceptual side of design, but also look at the practical side of design. Nottingham Trent really teach you how to explore that in much more depth.
What they give you is a really good method and process to approach any kind of design.
The Masters course has given me such kind of grounding in lots of different areas, right from the macro to the micro. So it's set us in good stead for the rest of our next kind of step, getting into a company and then moving on from there.